Hi guys, let's prepare a chicken and potato recipe a friend shared with me. So you start with pre-boiled seasoned potatoes, marinated chicken, some bell pepper, an onion, then you add some spices of your choice like thyme, white pepper, potato spice, chicken spice. Then you drizzle some oil, you add some fresh crushed garlic, drizzle some golden syrup, then add some sweet chili sauce or barbecue sauce, whichever you prefer. Thereafter, add some Italian spice or seasoning, some parsley, and mix it all together. And just before you put it into the oven, add some cubes of butter, cover it up with foil pepper, and pop it into the oven at 180 for about 30 minutes. And after that, remove it and turn the chicken just so it cooks on both sides. Pop it back into the oven and then grill it without the foil pepper, and this is what it should look like. Yum yum. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.